very, very bright. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do something a little fun. Can't even see myself, it's so bright out. Alright, so today we are headed out to Mission Raceway. It's a local drag road course and now a drifting spot. Oh, it's kind of hard to see me, isn't it? Obviously I'm not going to be drifting because the 240 is not ready. I should be getting the engine stand today, but I figured we would go out there, check it out. This is an event that's going to be happening monthly. I was kind of talking about it in my introduction video, so I figured we would go. Oh, it's so hard to see me. I'll just lean like this. What's up? So I figured we would go just check it out, see what it's like, see what the setup is, and then once the 240 is done, I want to take it there because apparently it's a good setup. So I unfortunately wasn't able to get a media pass in time, so I'm not going to be able to get right onto track, but I'll still get some footage. I have a couple buddies there, maybe I can get some footage from them if they don't mind me using it. So I am just heading out. I am going to go pick up Kyle and then we'll be good to go. But obviously before I go anywhere, because I'm Canadian, I need my Tim Hortons fix. You know how it'd be. It'd be like that sometimes. This ain't it, chief. All the memes, all the memes. Alright, can I get a farmer's wrap with sausage? And then a large hot chocolate? And medium coffee with 2 milk, 1 sugar? That's everything. Thank you. Alright. Now I'm ready to go to Mission. I got my Timmy hose.
Hey man.
Oh.
I'm just cleaning up. Do you want to park here for a sec?
Sure. Wow. Okay, so we just pulled up to Kyle's. We're just waiting on him to clean up a little bit. That is his Mustang. Not a lot of people know he has that. Nobody on the channel knows, at least. Yeah, he's had the Mustang for a while, but he only puts it on the road in the summer because obviously he drives the Jeep. So yeah, he's just gonna finish up what he's doing, and then we'll be on our actually be on our way to Mission. Okay, so we made it out to Mission Raceway Park. They're actually just starting up from the lunch time. I guess there's a break for it. There's a lot of cool cars, I'm pretty sure. I've seen some videos and stuff from a friend that's already here. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna try and get some good footage for you. I'll see if I can find a good spot. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead. I don't know how the wind noise is gonna be. Hopefully it's not that bad. I really need to buy a wind muff for this, for when I'm outside and taking videos and stuff. Because like I said, I have no idea. It doesn't seem too windy, but it's definitely a little bit windy. We'll see how it goes. It's pretty good. It'll be fun. So yeah, let's get to drifting footage.
The drag strip right here.
Yeah, so we are walking along the Mission drag strip right now. Looks like we're taking a little break from the drifting. There's a lot of people here actually. So we're gonna go over to a better spot, see if I can get some better footage, see if I run into my buddy Devin, and then I'll ask him if he can get some footage for us, and it'll be good, it'll be fun. No.
You can't come out.
Holy shit. Damn. Oh no. This guy's dope. He tapped him. I need a long distance lens for this. Okay, so it's been a couple hours since the drift event. I didn't get as much footage as I would like, so I figured there's a big car meet going on. We're gonna go check that out and see how it is, maybe see some cool cars, and then, yeah, it'll be good, it'll be fun. Okay, so we just pulled up to the meet. We had to park out of it because it's super packed, but there's a lot of really nice cars here, so we're gonna go ahead and check out some sick whips, right guys? What? What? You have a problem?
Stop!
Problem with me filming? So yeah, we're gonna, oh, listen to those trumpets. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and look at some cars.
Roll up the windows.
You roll up the windows. Yeet. Yo, Rice Gang on a truck. It's pretty dope actually. Ooh. What? The purple one? Ooh. So, I'm not 100% sure, and me and Omer aren't 100% sure, but for Mark 7.5, right? Mark 7.5 Golfs, you can get custom colors, so this is one of them. It's purple. I don't know. Oh yeah, you can see it nice. That looks so good. So this is Omer's Mark 7 2015 GTI. So he's got an emblem delete, so he got a piece of metal welded right there. Front lip. Lowering springs, how much? 1.5? Like 1.5 or something. It's a little dirty right now. If you notice the sticker right here, it is an APR tune, stage 2, right? Just stage 2. So it's stage 2 with the pop tune and everything like that. He's got a fender extension and a Borla exhaust. And it's super fast. And he scares me every time, and it's great. I love it. Also, these are the 7.5 Euro tails. Can you turn them on from your key fob though? Yeah. Okay, so these are nothing like the stock ones. These are absolutely gorgeous. You can't tell in the video, but they're also a stock tint. So it looks really, really good. And the turn signals are sequential, right? Or what do you guys? Dynamic, sequential, same thing. So also the mirror signals that he has right here, yeah, so they're dynamic, sequential, whatever you want to say, so they match the tails. And super dark, 5% and 35% in the fronts, which is super illegal here, but it's good, it's fun.
Yeah.
This is nice. Yeah, I really like this red, hey? Wink, wink, hint, hint. It's super nice. Hydro dipped, yeah, hydro dipped valve cover. This thing is nuts. Done to the frickin' tits, man. Custom interior, it looks like, maybe?
Yeah.
I really like this red. They're hydro dip door handles too, like that just looks amazing. So you can't really tell, but the rear splitter is hydro dip, the same as the handles and the valve cover too.
Oh, what the fuck?
It'd be hilarious.
Really? You gotta get some, how's it going?
So this guy has this frickin' of a truck. So if you remember in the last video, we were at Mexico and he did this. Jesus Christ. Where's the exhaust?
Way under there.
Oh no. That's it? That's it? Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, it smells so bad. It's so rich, dude. Oh.
bro. I would have an R35 one day, dude. R35s are for dudes who 45, live in my mom's basement playing Fortnite every day, dude. Alright, so do you want to go hit my chocolate jewel, dude? Talk to me when you can deadlift a truck, you want me to go home and listen to Russ?
That's a lot of beep.
That's gonna be a lot of censor bleeps. Why is there an N on it? Oh my god.
Welcome to Vancouver.
Oh yeah. That is so cool. Oh yeah. Oh no.
Roll your windows up.
That was good. That was dope. Okay, so I completely forgot to record an outro for this video. I am like 4 days later editing right now, so I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. And see you in the next one. Peace.